Hello, hello. So before we hop into our next lesson where we actually cover some code, I figured I should definitely show you how I fixed a common bug. In our last episode, you may remember that I tried to launch the app. There was a bug. The app wouldn't launch. We said, forget it. That's not even what we're doing today. So I definitely want to show you one of the most basic tricks to squash bugs in your app. So we'll go ahead and open our new app, which is the app that we created yesterday. And I can go ahead and try to run it now. It probably will work because I already fixed the bug. So let's run it. And actually, this is a great test because if it doesn't work, I can show you how to fix it. And if it does work, I can show you how I fixed it. So we'll let this load up. There we go. Give it a second. And you can see right here, Xcode is hopping up. So it probably did not work. And you can tell it didn't work because our app didn't launch. We just kind of don't see our app. So let's go back to Xcode. Again, simulator device returned an error, blah, blah, blah. And you can look into some details and it might tell you some more information, but I don't really know what all that means at this exact second. So let's just tap OK. And what we'll do, now that we're back in Xcode, the very top here, you'll go to Product, and then you go to Clean Build Folder. And you should see this say Clean Succeeded. And that really should just kind of wipe out any existing data within your app. So ideally, it might fix the bug. Let's go ahead and hit play. Look at our simulator again. And this time, I would expect our app to launch, but you never know. So let's give it a second. This is all live. I'm not, pre-planning this. I just wanted to record this before I record the actual lesson. So it's taking its time. But on the good side, we don't see Xcode hopping up. And you can see it looks like our app did actually open this time. For whatever reason, the home screen's also here. But if I tap home, there's our app. And I can zoom in and see it's right there. I can move it around and I can interact with it. Cool. So the app is working again. I'm not too sure why it stopped working. But if you want a quick fix, again, in Xcode, you'll just go to Product, Clean Build Folder, and that should fix some really basic issues. Not all issues, but definitely the most basic ones. See ya.